Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the boAt Rockerz 205 wireless Bluetooth headsets. There is a picture, a photo of what the headset actually looks like. You can see this is a neckband style headset. There's some more information on this box, like it comes with fast charge technology, ASAP fast charge technology. It can play up to 20 hours of non-stop audio. It also comes with equalizer mode. There's a bass and balance mode as well. What other information do we have? Alright, this supports Bluetooth 5.0. As mentioned earlier, it comes with ASAP charge technology, which means it takes 10 minutes to charge up to 10 hours and 40 minutes to charge this device completely. This headset comes with smooth integrated controls, has lightweight ergonomic design, comes with 10mm dynamic drivers, and also has Type-C charging port along with IPX5 splash and sweat shield. Let's open this box and take a closer look at the components inside. So these are the components of the box. Alright, let's bring this one out as well. What all do we have here? This is a product information brochure from boAt. This is a warranty card. And this is the user manual for boAt Rockerz 205 version 2. Leave it here. There's some extra silicone tips, and I'm going to open this pack. Seems very nicely sealed, but generally these are the large and the small variants. The medium ones are already attached to the earphones. Okay. This is a sticker from boAt, and this is a USB-C type charger with USB-A connector on the other end. I'll leave this one here as well. Now let's take a look at the neckband style headset. The neckband is pretty flexible but not flimsy. You won't be able to break it with your bare arms, that's for sure. There are two modules on each end. This module has all the media control. These are your volume rockers, and this is your power button and mode button. And also call, receive, call, and functionalities will be all found here. This is the USB-C type port for charging, and I think this is your microphone right over here. What else do we have? Okay. Pretty thick cables. Here you are. These are the heads. They have an angular design. Here you can see they have angular nozzles at a 45-degree angle, and they're magnetic. This is a great touch. This means that you won't be losing this particular headset anytime soon. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the boAt Rockerz 205 version 2 wireless Bluetooth headset. Thank you for watching.